Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Minister of Finance and the Public Service Favour Williams, billionaire Michael Lee Chin, and the delegation of coffee farmers from Hall's Delight St. Andrew were among the 700 guests at yesterday's staging of the Small Business Association of Jamaica's Growth and Resilience Conference held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The Development Bank of Jamaica signed an MOU with the SBAJ for development of its members' ability to access greater capital. The Jamaica Stock Exchange and the Jamaica Business Development Corporation also gave commitment to continue to build out the capacity of small businesses to scale their businesses. Booth holders reported that sales of their wares was robust. President Garnet Reid shared, "We have already outgrown the Pegasus. Our goal is 1,000 attendees next year as we build out our partnerships in the business arena. We are very pleased with the turnout. We thank our sponsors, our team members, and our stakeholders in believing in the vision of this conference." Government reports lower tax collections. The Ministry of Finance reported that it has missed its tax collection target during the first 2 months of the fiscal year. According to the ministry's latest fiscal report, collections from taxes on income and profits were 18.8 billion, or about 24% below the 77.8 billion budgeted, coming in at only 59 billion during the April to May period. Taxes paid by companies recorded one of the largest gaps, falling 30.9% below target. The government collected 27 billion compared with the 39.9 billion that had been projected. Special consumption tax collections also missed expectations by 65.9%, with only 2.15 billion collected out of the 6.4 billion budgeted. The report also shows that hotel accommodation tax receipts were 21.7% below target, while the travel tax collections fell 35.1% short of expectations. Taxes on dividends were 22.7% below budget, while collections from taxes on individuals were 59.4% lower than projected. International trade taxes came in at 3.3% below target. Customs duty were 8.6% below expectations, and education tax collections missed the target by 8.3%. The ministry also reported that production and consumption taxes were approximately 2.4% below budget during the period under review. For the trading period of July 16, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,275,215 units, representing 32.35% of market sales. Tropical Battery Company Limited with 3,321,058 units, representing 25.13% of market sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,312,418 units, representing 9.93% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, finance, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 16, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.30 and buying at $157.62. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 58 cents transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.63 and was bought for $113.05. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.74 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.59 and was bought for $211.85. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score is built long before you apply for a loan. Many people think about their credit score only when they need financing. By then, the story has already been written. Every payment made on time, every credit card balance managed, and every loan repaid contributes to your financial reputation. Whether you're using a credit card, a personal loan, or microfinance, the goal should never be to simply access money. The goal is to demonstrate that you can manage credit responsibly. Strong credit isn't created in a moment. It's earned through consistent financial habits that open doors to better opportunities. In our funded and focused feature, the biggest change in entrepreneurship isn't AI itself, it's how AI is changing the way capital is allocated. Whether you're applying for a loan, pitching investors, or competing for grant funding, your business is increasingly being evaluated through data, patterns, and predictive analytics before anyone hears your story. For entrepreneurs, this means that funding is becoming less about who you know and more about how well your business performs on paper. Clean financials, measurable traction, and a compelling business case are no longer optional. They are becoming the new currency for accessing capital in the AI era. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.